We've got a McLaren 570S, and what has happened here is there is a knocking sound. And it was a very bad knocking sound. Seemed to go up with RPM and that kind of stuff. And what we noticed is it was low on oil. You might notice down here, that's oil, because up there, the turbo itself, there's a VTA, vent to atmosphere, and it's actually spewing oil from there. And might get in there and get a picture for some better light, but we know that there's an oil leak. We checked from the intake here, all that's clean. So that pipe is clean, intercooler's clean. So it's not just pushing oil that way. But we do know that it is leaking oil a lot, which means it was starved for oil. So we drained the oil. And if you look in here, you might notice the metallic. So this was run with low oil enough to cause damage to a cylinder. We believe it's number 5 based on roughness. But that's what happens if you have an oil leak that's unattended. In the case of this one, we saw it coming from right there. But it happened while driving, where it just suddenly started spewing a lot of oil. All that oil that is down here was from putting oil in it, putting fresh oil in it, and then running it to get it warmed up some, and that's how much oil came out.